Hi everyone, welcome to the next section, Chunking, Sentence Parse, and Dependencies. This section helps to learn how to use the built-in chunker, as well as train and write your own chunker, dependency parser. We will learn to evaluate our own trained models. Now, we move on to the first video of this section, using the built-in chunker. In this video, we will use these features from NLTK as part of learning to use the built-in chunker. We'll start off by importing the NLTK module into the program. Then we have this data that we're going to analyze. We are adding this string to a variable called text. We have to break the given text into multiple sentences. We do that with the help of this line of code. The result is a list of sentences stored in the sentences variable. After that, we begin looping through all the sentences that we have extracted. Each sentence is stored in the sentence variable. This instruction breaks the sentence into non-overlapping words, and the result is stored in the words variable. In the third line, we do part of speech analysis using the default tagger that is available with NLTK. Once the identification is done, the result is stored in a variable called tags. We then call the NLTK anyChunk function, which does the chunking part for us. The result is stored in chunks. The result is actually tree-structured data that contains the paths of the tree. Lastly, this prints the chunks that are identified in the given input string. Upon running, we'd get this output. You can see chunks are grouped in brackets to easily distinguish them for other words that are in the input text. Cool! That's all about this video. In the next video, we'll write our own simple chunker.